If you're an agency trying to get customers, I have used this exact strategy so many times, it works like crazy. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we use this cool thing right here to get you more customers. By the way, if you've been trying to get customers by going straight for the sale, going for a demo call, asking them to apply, and that hasn't worked for you, in this video, we're going to walk you through why that is. Chances are, by the way, because you don't have proof credibility like those other more established agencies. And if you're trying to get to where they're at, you're going to have to use a strategy like the one I talk about in this video to get there. If you're newer to the channel, subscribe. We drop content like this all the time. I've been in the agency business now for almost 9 years, and I'm happy to share what I've learned to get you to the end result faster. So that notification bell comes in real handy when new content like this drops. So like, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff, and check out the video.
Have you heard the secret of the monkey fist? You know, a lot of these things behind me actually have some kind of meaning. They remind me of important things. And this is a monkey fist. I just got back from a cruise. If you wanted to dock that ship at port, how would you do that? It's a massive chain. How do you get this massive chain down to the anchor, the cleat on the port with this tiny thing? You put a rope here, you connect it to the chain, one guy throws it to the other person, wrap, pull it in. You know, this little tiny thing pulls a big thing behind it. So what does this mean? A lot of times when you're doing B2B, whatever your niche is, when you start looking at the ads, if people are doing direct calls to action, book a demo call, sign up now, like whatever those direct calls to action are. And whenever you look at your marketplace, all of those things start to look exactly like each other. Well, what does that cause? That causes noise in the marketplace. And noise doesn't get any pull. What do you need? You need music, right? And so that means you have to take a different approach. So a monkey fist, if they're all trying to like use the chain and like use brute force to pull the chain in, you use one of these. You go for you go for the thing that sells the thing. You go for the little thing that does the big action. When I do a webinar, so UpHex has ads that are running every day, all the time. We bring on new users every day. But when I do a webinar, I basically tell a story, and many of you have been on my webinar. I tell a story, I go through the story arc of why all of the problems in this business opportunity, how we have fixed them, and then what I'm offering to you to follow my same path. But my offer is not sign up for UpHex. My offer is come see the offer that I used to get 53 customers during a single webinar. So I'm going to give you that information. So you will then receive it and be like, I want to do the same thing. Well, what do you need to do? You need UpHex in order to deliver that, right? So I sell a thing in my webinar to sell my thing. So absolutely, your idea is a very good idea. Okay. And it's pretty much step number one in marketing, which all of us want to bypass. What is step number one in marketing? Build your list. Build your list. And we want to go for the sale. We don't want to go for the list, but you build the list and the sales will come. So that's a really good idea. Okay. Setting up something that will then, because guess what? Whatever you're going to offer to them, it's in front of the sales opportunity. And because your competitors are all selling something and you're not, you win. And you'll get your opportunity to sell to them one-on-one, person to person, just like you and I are doing right now. We're here in person. I feel like I know you. And that's what you need in order to make a conversion.